Ka nong thau an ka bana saipung sutengah constituency ka East Giant Hills ka Santa Mary Jylla kalaya thu syakilat pathai khubor ba ka Sorkar Jylla kalayo arspa Klur Tyngka na ka Bynta ki kam Pynheh bat Pynheh Surok. Haba penpau ya ke jing sngokia halor ke jinglong jingman jong ke Surok NH6 ha East Giant Hills ikong Jylla ila pensngo ba ke Surok kala jot lapra nakadaw ke jingle bom sutnyo bat ke jing bom maramot labun snem minta. Ka jing slap jor ka nang penjujo julor shu ya ka jinglong ki Surok bat penlong yaki ki jaka langkti ki bamla ban yat ban yeng bat ki bakta pat ya ka let kawan bat ki babu jing eru ya ki kali red bat ki kali kit nongpang.
Deputy CM also has taken, at that time before the monsoon happened, before the sanction happened, he had gone by himself to Delhi. He had spoken to our union minister in India, and they have given also the sanction of 200 crores. And now it's like, after everything is done and the work has been taken up, we are just waiting that the rain will stop and the work will go on. And of course, the contractor has to really work hard to finish this work, because this is the connectivity to many states.